Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Poco X4 GT. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the bottom right corner we got more options. If you don't have these options here, tap into a Google account icon and here find settings and go into. I've got more options, so tap it and choose settings. Here go into voice option and now choose voice match. And now for activate Hey Google, need to activate this feature. Tap and we activate our Hey Google option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.